Oh, hi. This week I am planning to go on a trip and it's supposed to be like between 80 and 90 degrees the whole 2 weeks that I'm gone. So I need warm weather clothes. Problem being, everything I buy is too short. It's just part of being me is everything's gonna be too short. But thankfully, I made a really terrible looking dress when I first started sewing, and the fabric from the skirted part on that matches this really awesome dress that I have. And it's super comfy and like really thin and perfect for super hot days. Doesn't even show sweat stains, which is choice. But it doesn't even come close to covering my bottom, so it hits like right at my butt. But I don't want to wear it with pants because it's too hot. So we are going to add a skirted layer. Now, since I am literally packing for the trip right now, I'm just gonna knock through this real fast. So here's what you need. Some kind of garment to add length to, and some panel of other fabric to add to the bottom of the garment. I think you're keeping up okay. This has a finished bottom and I have already serged the edges of this. I just need to decide how much length I want to add. I think like 4 inches will be fine. So I'm gonna cut a strip that's 5 inches wide. So I'm just gonna fold it up a bunch of times so I'm cutting through all the layers at once instead of trying to cut like one crazy long strip, single layer. That'll take ages. Oh my god, look at that. We have a strip of fabric. Great, great. Oh, you also need matching thread in a sewing machine. I'm not even gonna pin any of this. I'm gonna sew this right along the bottom, right sides together. Gonna go in like 1/4 of an inch. I lied, I'm going in about 1/2 inch. So when I started stitching, I did fold over one of the edges right here. I have my little flap here. Now that I've gotten to the end, I'm going to line these edges up right sides together and then stitch down this way, and then I will finish tacking this last stretch because I stopped a couple inches early before the end just to give me some wiggle room so I can actually maneuver this on the machine without wanting to blow my brains out. Okay, see, now I have my second seam right here and I can finish sewing the rest of the bottom band on. You know, I was thinking of changing the straps to a plain pink too to make it look more intentionally color block-y, but this is all I got time for. I am going to take this serged edge and fold it over just like 1/4 of an inch, basically just hiding the actual serging stitching. And we're fucking done, homies. I should, you know, iron this also. I can't believe I'm saying that. I can't believe I'm advocating ironing, but what a difference it makes on the fucking thing you're making. Now I just gotta clean up some threads and we're fucking done. Well, that only took me, oh, less than 10 minutes. Dope, dope, dope. I like when a quick project actually stays quick. Well, the before picture will be an old Instagram post, because of course I forgot to take a picture before I started hacking into this thing. This is the upside of being a hoarder in the way that I am, is I buy clothes that don't fit so that I can alter them, but then especially my earlier alterations don't go so great, but then I still hang on to the thing, because like I have the perfect matching fabric and I'm so fucking pumped. Well, I need to finish packing because I'm going away for 2 weeks. But anyways, thank you guys for sticking around even when I just fucking disappear off the face of the earth for like almost a month. So because I was in such a rush, I forgot to do like a finished product shot of the dress. So here's some footage of me trying to befriend a duck. There is a backstory here. If you want, I will do a video about that. But I'm just, here's the dress in action. That duck that's been hanging around, I have someone that was looking to, adopt it? Yeah, basically. So, okay. Yeah, it was over here yesterday, but if you see me roaming around, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Ooh, I don't have all my lights on. Isn't that the story of my life?